Yo, what is up guys, JT Fishing here, and today I'm bringing you the mystery tackle box unboxing for February 2016. This is my second box that I've gotten, but this is my first unboxing, so let's get in with it. Alright, opening up the box. You get your card that tells you everything that comes inside. Alright, so we got 5/0 mustad hooks, and then came with a 5-pack, so it's a full pack, and this retails for $4.39. Alright, pretty cool. And second thing is this pretty beastly size of a crankbait. It's from Lucky Craft USA. Let's take it out of the box, see what it looks like. It's pretty big. I'd say it's 3 inches. It's pretty fat, and it dives 4 feet, and it's 3/4 of an ounce. These hooks are sticky. Hear the rattles? And hey, like I said, these hooks are really sharp, really nice. That retails for $14.99, so that's the top of the list. Second thing that I see is this Booyah rig. I've never used one of these, surprisingly or not, but it comes with 4 grubs, and I'm actually pretty excited to use this. I've never used one. I can probably put this crankbait at the end, and that'll be my, that'll be pretty nice. Another thing that came in the box is these ribbon tail worms, green pumpkin, 7.5 inches. Let's take one out. So nothing special, just a green pumpkin ribbon tail. Not much of a scent, and that's alright. Alright, last thing in the box is these lizard. I can probably hook these up on the mustad hooks that came with the box. Probably Texas rig it, or Carolina rig. I don't know, one of those. Let's take this out. And it says pork fat cooked it in. So, oh yeah, it's a pretty strong scent. Just your average lizard. Texas rig, Carolina, one of those. That'll work fine. At the very bottom, you get your Devil's Digest. I actually like these things. I actually read them. It's got pretty good information on how to use these, just random stuff. Get your sticker and a scratch off. So let's scratch this off, see if I won. Not a winner, not a winner. Let's see what I would have won. Would have done a Hoorag bandana, so whatever. Really don't care. Alright, so that wraps up this month's mystery tackle box. This was February 2016. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be most likely a slam on, I don't know, I may do a slam for both January and February's, and so let's get on with it.